Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is September 20th, 2020. It's time to run our monthly reports. Uh, so let's take a look at Spain. Let's take a look at Israel. You come back up here, we can see that Israel is averaging 871 cases per day, with only 5.5 to 6 deaths a day. So let's take a look at the daily cases and deaths plots, see what's going on. As you can see, the green line, the fitted line, is a low west line. It's basically a method of fitting fitting a curve to the data. It's similar in concept, I think, to maybe a moving average, which may be familiar with in the stock market. But anyway, you can see the situation is not good. You can also underneath slightly see the 14-day moving average. It shows a decline here. It probably does a little better job of actually more detailed fitting. But anyway, you can see here also, just for the fun of it, let's do a span. Let's see how it looks now. In some ways, to be honest, I think probably the lowest is probably more accurate than the than the 14 moving average. It's a little smoother. One thing you can see the depth here. You can see the more detailed following for the 14 moving average. But this is definitely showing a continuing trend effort in deaths, unfortunately, in Israel right now. They are going into a 14-day lockdown. And here's the other blue line you can see here. But up here, you don't see because it is smooth. So do I need to go to a little bit longer? Uh, so deaths, at least the cases, close but the cases from June onward, you can see the steady decline upward. We have spikes. This is kind of interesting. And the 14-day moving average shows a decline here, which is sort of interesting. Deaths shows a climb up here. The decrease. Let's take a look at the weekly cases are not good. If this is the current week, we're already halfway to the previous week's totals. All right, this isn't good. Deaths, I'm not sure I have a gap in there. Missed the reporting day or something. But if this is this week's, it's already past last week's, and will probably pass this week's here as far as deaths. Okay. Monthly numbers, not even close to September. This went way beyond July and August numbers. Deaths are beyond July and August numbers. There's 600 deaths so far for the month of September. Okay. So this takes care of our report for Israel. Let's just update our website. So that concludes the report for Israel. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to click the red S button if you haven't done so already, and subscribe to the Caribou Data Science channel.